And here it is in all its glory. This is Lindell Orchard. This is the famous octagonal bar. Why? Because it's shaped like an octagon. And these are the hayride vehicles. Why? Because they're hayride vehicles. Anyway, everything is pure. It's pretty quiet for the summer. And what do you think? That is Drew. He doesn't like to have his picture taken. And this is Foodland. This is where they serve all the food here, and anyway, everything's quiet right now. You should see this place around Halloween. It's really busy around Halloween. Anyway, here are some geese and some rabbits. There are some rabbits. Rabbits have been known to have many babies at one time. And some chickens. They don't like them, do they? And maybe some Cornish game hens. Mmm, delicious. No offense, really. Here we have a prime example of some duck. Anyway, there's a pretty good bowl of orange sauce. What do you think? Anyway, here are some roosters and some more chickens. Kansas game hens, Cornish game hens. Here we have the Plymouth Rock rooster. Wait, those are Rhode Island Reds. Or Plymouth Rock roosters. Anyway, here are some more Rhode Island Reds. What do you think?
Japanese animals.